we're back. So magandang hapon ulit sa akin Facebook friends and family. So nandito po tayo sa may Christmas Lights Park side ng Taguig. Marami ding mga bata at tao. So medyo hindi na ganun kainit. So yung mga gustong pumasyal, come over. So sa kabilang side, as I showed kanina, nandiyan po yung Meeting of Styles, yung ating graffiti artists from over 30 countries. So inaayos lang po yung video, then we will repost it. I also want a special mention kay Trip at kay Quicks. God bless you guys. So dun sa hindi pa nakakapasyal dito, since 2022 December ata sa location na to, paganda ng paganda. I think in 2023 naging talagang world class at grabe po yung mga comments about the park. Lani and the team, no, Big Taguig, City Administrator's Office, and everyone involved, no, yung sa parks ng city, spend really much time making sure na family oriented. So lesson number one na I want to say is that just like the gospel, it is a word, it's a powerful word, it's a word of God, pero kailangan isabuhay. So pag sinabi nating pro-family tayo, napaka-importante nun, pero kailangan isabuhay. So sa City of Taguig, we make sure we have beautiful parks, kasi kung sasabihin for the family, tapos ang magaganda malls, pero may gastos din talaga. And usually pagdating sa mall, yung iba't ibang age, iba-iba pinupuntahan. But of course, napakasarap din na kumain, manood ng sine sa mall, and they're essential part of our cityscape, no? Having said that, yung parks, by the way, libre tong park na to, no? So coming to the parks and just also yung napaka-importante, appreciating God's work, yung nature. So hindi pa ako allowed sabihin, no, yung mga urban planners we're working with to improve pa not only the landscaping but yung cityscape talaga, yung kung paano dapat ang mix ng educational facility, public-private facilities, yung simento at saka yung mga halaman, anong klaseng mga halaman, di ba? Tapos past and future, di ba? Past, present and future. So marami dito makikita nyo, kumbaga parang vintage, kung ano yung ginagamit, anong mga laruan, ano yung mga katuwaan namin nung kami ay bata pa. So let me just input lang here na I really feel na sana hindi, God forbid, na dadaan na naman sa hard times ang ating bansa, ang buong region, many parts of the world, but with the combination of maraming bansa, napakalaki ng utang simula nung pandemic, and then yun nga, yung mga worldwide rivalries, tapos yung conflict sa Middle East, oil price hike and prices, mukhang hard times are coming. And it's very important that one, we put our hope in God. We really ask God, ano ang mga solusyon. There's always a solution and opportunity. Hello everyone, God bless you. So yan, sa tabing Laguna Lake po to. So lapit tayo dun mamaya para makita niyo yung mga development dito sa Laguna Lake. So it's very important po na we don't lose hope, kasi mindset, pag tingin natin wala ng pag-asa, baka wala tayong gawin. Sabi ni former Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew, there are things that the community can do that government cannot. So yes, let us demand from government that they give us the best. Let us demand from government innovation, cooperation, gamitin ng tama pera natin. But at the same time, let's demand from ourselves and from our small communities how we can love each other. JJ Tirao, Provinciudad, thank you very much. God bless. So yun po ang marketing, yun po ang isang sinasapuso ng bawat Taguigenyo, na ang Taguig ay Provinciudad, magandang ugali ng probinsyano, at ang amenities ng isang highly urbanized or world-class city. So I'm walking towards the concert grounds, but bago nun, so ito may mga chess set by the water, so pwede ding kung mukhang familiar, di ba, nung yung nung nag-picture take, nung ginamit yung mga telescope para tignan yung buwan. I think meron ulit this May. Diyan nilalagay at nagpabili na tayo ng extra telescopes para yung mga papasyal dito, whether estudyante o ano. So, yan. So, napakasarap po sa park. And again, as you said, libre po dito. Well-maintained po yung mga halaman kahit napaka-init, makikita nyo. Kasi, doon sa kabila, sa amphitheater bago pa, so parang 3 weeks ago, ayan. At saka may mga mabuhay ang PNP. So yan, may gumagala po dito ng mga police to make sure everything's safe. Presence lang nila, napakalaki. Si Ping US from Cotabato City, magandang hapon sa iyo. Michael Reyes, Noel Joseph, Artus Cleofe, Patrick Villanueva, magandang sabi ni Patrick Villanueva, pitik, ibig po sabihin nun, presyo, trabaho, kita. So pag may economic crisis po, yan din ang ating tinitignan. Ayan, so star. Yan ang isang star walk ba? So guys, medyo maingay na doon. But yun nga, no, we cannot say put God first. Then, wala tayong malasakit or wala tayong pagtingin sa ating kultura, sa ating society, sa ating kapitbahay. Of course, all of us love our own family. Ava, God bless you. Kamusta na? See you soon. Attorney Raymond Batu, God bless you at God bless yung inyong confederation. Continue praying, continue being activist. Ayong Sang Andres, Larry Cruz is watching. Larry, God bless you. Kamusta na? Len Torrijas, Jenny Lacchical, yan. So guys, sa kabila, until tomorrow, yung ating graffiti artists. So, from 30 countries yan. There were people from Spain, Canada, Portugal, Brazil, Pakistan, Korea, last year may Singapore, basta 30 daw yan. Of course, yung ating Filipinos, no? At pinangunahan yan ni Twix at ni Trip, no? So, God bless you guys. Silipin ko lang si Lani.